We are in the world of dark patterns, where user interfaces play tricks on unsuspecting users.
Well, actually it's not that dark, but there are some cool manipulating tricks and patterns which are everywhere, in any big app or website you visit. And in this video we are going to uncover some of the most common ones that you may encounter every single day. So, let's go. The Roach Motel pattern. The term originates from the insect trap of the same name, where cockroaches easily enter but struggle to exit. Consider this: you're casually browsing YouTube and you find a channel that you enjoy its content, like my channel maybe? With a single click on this bright and shiny button, you subscribe to a new channel. You even get this cool animation that just hits you with some dopamine. But when you want to unsubscribe, the once bright and shiny subscribe button is now faded into the UI with muted colors. Which looks a bit confusing too, cause why the hell would they combine the notification settings with the unsubscribe button and put a notification icon next to it? And when you click it, you'll see a list which starts with notification preferences and well ends with an unsubscribe button again. So go on, click it. Yep, now a pesky confirmation dialog questioning your decision to unsubscribe. Or maybe when you want to delete your account on a website, well, good luck with that. Confirm shaming, tripping users into taking a desired action by using manipulative, negative, and guilt-inducing language in confirmation dialogues, and making users think twice before proceeding their action or even just reconsidering their decision. And the last one is sneaky pre-selected options. During checkout or sign up, certain checkboxes are already ticked for you. Stuff like subscribe to our newsletter, add 2-year protection plan, or donate $2 to the devs, which I actually recommend. And unless you manually notice and uncheck them, which to be honest I am personally too lazy for that, you're automatically up to then. It's a subtle trick. No pop-ups, no drama, just quick little decisions being made for you. And to be honest, it's a genius design, not to be underestimated. So when you're using a software, your online journey is shaped towards certain goals without you knowing it. These tactics, while not necessarily harmful, are actually effective ways to make the most out of a software. And yep, that's it. Don't forget to subscribe, and I see you on the next one.